equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on maintaining your Lenovo IdeaPad 314 IL05, focusing on hard drive replacement. Before we dive in, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your device from static electricity. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the 10 Phillips screws located around the perimeter. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any clips as you work your way around. Now that the back cover is off, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the hard drive, which is typically secured in a bracket. Unscrew the 2 screws holding the hard drive in place. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any pressure. Carefully slide the hard drive out of its connector. If you're replacing it, take your new hard drive and align it with the connector. Slide it in gently until it's firmly seated. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. It's crucial to ensure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any issues later. Next, let's clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. This step is vital for maintaining optimal performance and preventing overheating. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without the hassle of travel. Once you've cleaned the internals, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Then, replace the 10 screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are all tightened securely. Now, power on your laptop and check if the new hard drive is recognized. You can do this by entering the BIOS setup during boot up. If everything looks good, you're ready to install your operating system or restore from a backup. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service at your fingertips. Thank you for following this tutorial, and enjoy your upgraded Lenovo IdeaPad 314 IL05. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.